Welcome to this in-depth look at our Sales Analytics Excel sheet. This file is designed to track, analyze, and visualize sales performance in a structured way. Let's break it down. This Excel file contains 3 sheets. Dashboard. This sheet is meant for visual summaries and key insights. Currently it's empty, but it can be used for charts, graphs, and quick reports. Data. This is the core of the file where all sales transactions are recorded. Here's what it includes. Date, month, and year. The timeline of each sale. Customer name and type, whether the customer is an individual or a company. Service, the type of service sold, such as SEO, web development, or ads. Department, the team responsible for the sale, like marketing or design. City, the location of the customer. Sales amount, the revenue generated from each sale. Margin percent and margin amount, the percentage of profit and the actual profit value. Sale type, whether it's a new sale or a repeat sale. Customer source, how the customer found our business, such as walk-in or ads. Package type, the subscription model, like annual or quarterly. Pivot, this sheet is designed for quick data summarization using pivot tables. It helps analyze trends in sales, customer behavior, and revenue distribution. Lightbulb, this Excel file is a powerful tool for tracking sales performance, understanding customer trends, and making data-driven business decisions. Whether you're managing new leads or tracking repeat customers, this file provides all the necessary insights in one place. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.